Hi, I know I look crazy right now, but there's an explanation for it. Because I have my hair sectioned off because I'm about to bleach my roots. As you can see, I have very dark roots. And I'm going to tone the mixture of Wella t10 and t11. So, let's do it. This is the bleach I use. It's Ion Conditioning Powder Lightener. Basically, it has coconut oil in it and gardenia oil. And the reason I use it is because my hair always feels super soft after I use it. Oops. Before the cup of this bleaching powder in the bowl. And we're going to take half a cup of this developer. The one I use is Brilliance. Am I holding it upside down? Blonde Brilliance. I use 25 developer. Cream oil infusion. So that's what we're going to be using. And just use half a cup of this with a fourth a cup of the bleach. And there you go. And I will mix it up and show you the consistency like that. Just get all the lumps out and then you should be good. And then we're just going to start with one section of hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your brush and you're just going to put the bleach on your roots. It's pretty simple. I've got a little mirror right here to help. Very helpful. And you don't need to use a lot, just enough to saturate your hair. And I'm just gonna get this little front piece, my baby hairs and stuff. And then when you coat the top layer of your section, you're gonna take it and go all the way back. Great. Okay. So you're just gonna repeat what you did with the top section with the bottom. And then you're gonna do the next top section and you're just gonna keep doing this. Look like Donald Trump. And then do the top of the next. Okay, so now this whole section is complete. You're just gonna flip it over. Okay, so I got my mom to come do the back sections in my hair real quick because she was leaving and I don't like to do the back by myself. Sorry if you were wanting to see that. I'll be right back when I finish this section. Hi, so now that your hair looks like a crazy mess and you have all your roots saturated in bleach, just take a little bit on your fingertips, like so. And now you're just gonna leave this in. Use a plastic bag or like a shower cap and put the back of your hair into it just so it can catch up with the rest. Like that. And now we look even more insane. Hi, this is me editing this video. I forgot to tell you to leave the bleach in for 30 minutes. Sorry. The roots should look something like this when you are about to wash the bleach out. If you're not sure about the actual color, just like look in the mirror and like you should be able to see. And a good tip is to like rub the bleach off of one spot just to see if it's the actual color you want. Because a lot of the time the bleach will make it look lighter than it is. So yeah, we're gonna go wash the bleach out of my hair. It's been 30 minutes. I don't know why I put a 6, but it's been 30 minutes, so I'm gonna wash it out of my hair. Hopefully I won't look as crazy when I come back. I'm back, and as you can see, my roots are completely bleached. The one red spot's still bothering me though, if you see it. This is all natural light, by the way. I'm in front of my window. So yeah, so I left that in for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna brush it out. It's towel dry, by the way. When you use Wella toners, you wanna make sure that your hair is towel dry. It's important to me, at least, to use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner because that just makes sure you don't have any like crazy residue on your hair. Pre-color treatment, Color Brilliance. This stuff, you can find this at Sally's. Everything in this video you can find at Sally's. So I'm just gonna spray my hair all over with that. This stuff makes it so that when you tone your hair, it's all an even shade, hopefully. And just, you know, so that you don't have like crazy patchiness in your hair, because a lot of the time, for me at least, that's what happens. Just pour like maybe 3/4 of the bottle in here. Yeah, pour like 3/4 of the bottle of the T10, and it'll be like this. And then I'm gonna take 1/4 of the bottle of t11. So I've already poured some developer in here, but I just want to tell you guys I used 50 millimeters of toner, and I'm gonna use 50 millimeters of developer. No, I'm gonna use 100 milliliters of developer. Okay, so I have my developer and my toner in the bottle, and we're just gonna close this up. And shake it up. That when I put the toners in the bottle, they were a very like light tan color. In the video I saw a girl doing the T10 and T11. She had actually used an old bottle of T11 and it had developed in the bottle, and because of that she got like a pure T10. And what I'm doing is showing you guys my results because I just want to see if there's a difference and if I can help anybody that's trying to make their decision on which Wella toner they want to use. I'm going to leave this in for like 5 to 8 minutes because this stuff develops really fast. So I will be right back to show you the end results. You guys, here's what it looks like dry. I'm really in love with this color. I think it's like the perfect combination of like cool and warm that I was looking for. And here's my roots. Here's an update on the tone of my hair a couple weeks later. I still really like it. It's really pretty. I've been using a purple shampoo to keep it from getting yellow, and this is the color after a couple weeks. This is the tone. Here it is in natural light. It's really pretty. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I don't know what else to say, but I really like this hair color, and I hope if you're looking for this color, then this video is helpful to you.